Alright friends, this is our third problem. For our problem here, we have 228 times 21. So we start by multiplying with our number in the ones place on our bottom number. So 1 times 8 is going to give me 8, because we know if we only have one group of whatever number we're multiplying by, then that answer is going to be what that number is. So like I have 1 times 8, if I only have one group of 8 pieces of candy, I'm only going to have 8 pieces of candy. So now I have 1 times 2, which is 2, and 1 times 2 again, which is 2 again. So hopefully you remember by now what you're supposed to do after you finish multiplying by the bottom digit in the ones place. We're going to add in that magic 0, okay? Now we're going to move on to our bottom digit in the tens place, and we're going to multiply that out. So 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 gives me 5, and 2 times 2 is 4. So now I have two partial products. I'm going to go ahead and add them up. Let me move my screen a little bit so that I can write underneath the line. So now I have 8 plus 0, which is going to give me 8. Then I have 6 plus 2, which is also going to give me 8. Then I have 5 plus 2, which is going to give me 7. And 4 plus nothing is just going to be 4. So our answer here is 4,788. Okay, I'm going to write it up here so that you guys see it.